Okay, we're good.
All right.
So this should have been straightforward, but I got a little stuck. So hopefully.
Oh, hang on. Looks
that
like
him?
he's calling me back. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Hello, Alan.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Hey, how's it going, Alan? Hey, so Stephanie and I, we are doing the class meeting tonight. Are you available?
I'm in the airport.
Oh, you're in the airport.
And, yeah, it's 7 right now for you, right?
Okay.
And
6.
my plane leaves at 7 from here. So I guess it will be like 9 over there. But I don't have any internet here in the airport.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Well, do you want us to just send you the answers that we got through email then?
That'll be nice. You don't have to, but
Okay.
if you want to, that'll be nice, to be honest.
Okay. Yeah, let me write a note for myself so I don't forget.
You guys, I still haven't taken the test yet.
You still haven't taken the test yet?
No. I don't have internet yet.
Right, that makes sense. Okay.
So hopefully, I talked to him. Hopefully, he'll let me take it on Wednesday tomorrow.
Yeah, that would be
Yeah,
good.
I wouldn't have been able to meet with you guys, but I don't have any internet right now, so I'm just doing homework that doesn't require internet.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But I'm in LA right now, so I should be home tonight.
Nice. Sounds good. Well, travel safe, and we'll see you Thursday then.
Thanks, Dakota.
Yep, you bet. See ya.
I'm sorry again.
That's all good. Okay, bye. All right, so we're just gonna go without him.
Okay. Okay, so for number 3, I put each slice represents a category.
Yep, that's what I got.
Okay. Number 4, the only difference between a bar chart and a, how do you say that? Pareto chart?
Yeah.
Is that the bars are ordered greatest to smallest.
Yep.
Okay, so then number 5, I put true proportion.
Yep, that's what I got.
Okay, then 6, I put sample size.
Yep.
And then 7, I put 10.
So I put 4.
How did you get 4?
So let me see. I don't know if I actually got it right. So what I did.
Put question marks, I guess.
Oh.
Yes, because in that information it said, you know.
So it says P is equal. Let's see. How do you find P?
P is X over N. X divided by N.
Well, is that sample P or is that true P? I think that's sample
P. P with the hat.
P with the hat, yeah. So P with the hat, that's X over N. But the one we're looking for is just the regular P. And I think I did it wrong because I think what I did was basically I was thinking X over N, so 1 over 4. So 1 is X, 4 is N. So what's the smallest N? It'd be 4. Okay. But I don't think that's...
So my question is where did you get 1 and... Oh, because P equals 1 over 4.
Yeah.
I totally missed that. Okay, so... Okay, if P equals 1/4, what is the smallest N that satisfies the requirement? So the requirement is it has to be equal to or greater than 10, right?
Well, let's see. It says, oh, N times P is got to be, oh, okay. It's got to be greater than or equal to 10. So,
yeah, so do we take N times 1 times negative P?
Well, let's see if.
But what's our N?
So, yeah, we're trying to find N. So, NP has to be greater than or equal to
10.
Than 10. So, let's get a calculator here. So, that would be 10 divided by 4. And that would give you 2.5 is the minimum.
So tell me why you divide it by 4.
So,
I mean, I know it's X over N, but because it's 1/4.
Wait a second. No, I didn't. No, that's not right. That's not right. Sorry.
You're-
So P is equal to 0.25. That's the same as 1/4. So what we do is we take 10, we divide by 0.25, and that will give us our N.
Okay,
So,
so 0.25.
so the smallest value is 40 because that's equal to 10 when you multiply N and P together.
Okay.
Does that make
Okay.
sense?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't really know what I was doing when I
Yes, and no. Yes. Okay, all right. I'm sorry, I'm looking for an eraser, but I don't have it. It's like my kids, everything disappears. Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay, so for 8, I put, okay, what is the mean of P? So how are we finding the mean?
So the mean of P is, I'm pretty sure it's just P, just the regular
Okay.
P.
That's what I put, 0.4.
Yep, that's what I
I
did.
was like, I put a big question mark, like, am I just that too easy?
Yeah, it's that easy for that one.
Okay, so 0.4. And then 9, I put 0.01. Or no,
I
0.1.
just put 0.1.
0.1, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that was right. Okay. And then 10, I put 0.35.
Yep, 0.35.
Okay, and 11, I put 0.046.
Yep, that's what I got.
12, okay, so 12, I was trying to do the z-score. So the mean is, okay, hold on, I'm getting my papers mixed up here, sorry. So the mean is 0.03, right? And I'm dividing by the standard deviation, which is 0.046. But what is my value?
The mean is 0.3, right?
0.0, oh yeah, 0.3, I put 0.03, sorry, 0.3.
So 0.3.
What's my value? Is my value 35 hits, or is it the batting average?
Your value is the P with the pointy thing on top. So so the way that you find that is X over N. So X, in this problem, we're trying to find out how many hits out of a total number of hits. And so the total number of hits is equal to N. That's what we're saying N is. And then X is how many hits she did. So 35 over 100, that equals 0.35. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So 0.35 minus 0.3 divided by 0.046, right?
Yep.
Okay. I just wasn't sure what the value was in that equation. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me do that. I didn't do it.
So this one I did, so the z-score for 12 was 1.091. That's what I got.
Okay, hang on a second. Let me see what I did. Sorry.
No,
Bear
that's
with
fine. Oh, that's just fine.
What'd you get?
1.091.
I'm getting 1.086.
Well, I think it's just a rounding issue. So what I did is instead of doing 0.046 for my standard deviation, I did 0.04583, and so that's why it gave me a different number.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so you didn't use the rounded number, you used the actual number. Okay, so what was your answer?
1.091.
Okay. Okay, so basically got the same thing, just the rounded before.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the probability Brittany gets 35 hits? So that's where we plug it into the applet, right?
Right, that's right. Yep.
So we plug in the 1.091, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep, you put that into the probability applet.
Okay, gosh, I'm so... Okay, so let's see. 1.091. Sorry, my brain is so fogged today.
That is... I don't blame you.
What is the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits on her next 100? So which side are we?
So what we're doing, the question is asking, what's the probability that she will get at least 35 hits? So that z-score computes to 35. So in order to get the probability of at least 35, we need to shade everything to the left.
Right. Oh, to the left?
Mm-hmm, to
Oh,
the
because
left.
it's less than.
Yep. So it's just saying what's the probability she'll get at least that many. So she can't get any more than 35. So we can't go further than that Z-score.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what was your answer?
I ended up with 0.8624.
Okay. How did you get that? So you put in the Z-score into the applet, the 1.091, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, hang on. Let me.
And then did you shade the middle and the left, or just the left?
0.09. Let me put it back in. You shade the left and the middle because you're trying to get everything to the left of that.
Okay. I just didn't shade the middle before, so
Yeah,
let me draw myself a picture so I remember. Oh.
Yeah, when I go through these problems, I have to literally write down everything that's happening and what everything means in the problem. Otherwise, I get
Caught up in the little things.
I get caught up in the little things. Exactly. And those things can just hit you hard.
So 0.86.
0.862 is what I did.
Okay. 62. All right. I never know how many when it doesn't specify. Oh, that does 3 decimal
Yeah.
places.
Yeah.
Okay, so then 14. It says, what is the standard deviation of p hat? So that is, so I put in the formula. So is it 0.52 times 1 minus 0.52 divided by 2,000?
Hang on.
And the square root of it?
0.52 times 1 minus 0.52 divided by 2,000. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you get the square root of the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah,
I didn't finish the problem because I wasn't sure if that was correct or not.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, so that's how you do it. The answer that I came out with was 0.011.
Okay.
If you drag it out, it's like 0.01117.
I take your word for it.
Okay.
And so since I didn't do that one, I didn't do the Z-score
Okay.
So
So
the
the Z-score.
value, which is the 0.52, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, hang on. So the let's see, the Z-score.
Is the value
Your mean is 0.52, so that's P.
Yeah,
Now,
okay.
Your value, which is the P hat,
Right.
as far as I understand, it's actually 0.5. And the reason why it's 0.5 is because the question is saying
Less than 50%?
yeah, what's the probability that the candidate will get less than 50%? And so what I say is he's getting less than 50% of the 100%.
Okay, so
And so
0.50?
Mm-hmm. So basically I said 50% was the X, 100% was the N, just to find the value. So yeah.
Okay. And it's 0.52 divided by, let's see, what's my standard deviation? Standard deviation, we didn't figure that out.
Standard deviation was 0.011 is what
Oh, that's right. That was just the last problem.
Yeah.
All right. So, and then that's the square root of that.
Yeah. So I came up with, so I used the full standard deviation. So I did 0.01117 when I was dividing.
Okay.
I came up with a Z-score of negative 1.791.
Okay. And then what is the probability? So we need to put that into the app, right?
Yep. And so, what's that?
It says, thanks for bearing with me.
Oh, not at all. No problem. Seriously. It's my pleasure.
Okay, and then it's the probability. Okay, what is the probability the survey results will show the candidate is losing even though the true P is 0.52? So losing.
So what I wrote it out to be, just so that way I could like have a good image of what's actually happening so I can like actually put it into the probability applet. I wrote it down as what is the probability of the survey showing that he's getting less than 50% of the votes. So what we found is supposedly we found the Z-score for 50% of the votes. And
Okay.
so if we're trying to find less than 50%, then we are looking at everything to the left of our z-score.
Okay, so middle and left, far left, right?
In this case, though, this z-score is a negative number, and so we're not
Just left.
actually doing. Yeah, exactly.
Left. So 0.037.
Let me go back to my answers here. Yep, 0.037 is what I got.
Okay. I think I just was over speaking it a little bit at the end.
Yeah, hopefully I got it right. I guess we'll find out.
Okay, well, I guess we can plug them in. I don't have them plugged in, obviously.
Okay, I will submit it here and see what happens. And we got a 94.4, so we missed something.
Okay.
Oh, here it is. Question 13. We missed that one. And I think
that was an applet question, right?
Yeah, it looks like that's the only thing that we got wrong. The probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits or next 100 at bat. Huh, why did I put down 0.862?
Right, and we shaded the middle and everything to the left, so do you think maybe it's just everything to the left and not the middle?
Well, the thing is we have a positive z-score, so it really should be everything to the left of the z-score. So not just...
Should it be middle and right, though? Because if you go... Hold on.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's 35 of 100, right?
You know what? It says what's the probability that she gets at least 35 hits. So we're not looking at everything to the left. We're looking at everything to the right because she's getting at least, not at most.
Right. So it'd be middle and right.
Middle and right, yeah.
Okay, so that would be 0.963. 0.963. Let me put it in. Let me put the answers in so you don't take another hit.
Okay. Well, actually, hang on. Let me put that in the probability applet really quick.
Okay,
1.091 was with the z-score. I came out with 0.1376.
Okay. Maybe I did something weird. Hang on.
Because it seemed a little bit off because it's supposed to add up to 1 if you do the whole thing.
Oh, that's true. Okay. So I put in my probability of, what was my probability? 1.091, right? That's not what I put in before. What did I put in before? That's my problem. Right. Oh no, I'm still getting. Okay. Now, what did you get?
So I got 0.1376. Let me share my screen really quick.
Yeah, I do. I don't know what I'm doing.
Let me do this. Okay. So here's the probability applet. So this was what I did.
Yeah, I forgot to unclick the middle. That's fine.
Gotcha. Yeah, we're getting everything to the right because she's hitting at least this amount, meaning that she's not doing any less than that amount.
Okay.
So.
Okay. I will take it.
Yeah, but everything else is right, so that should be where we messed up.
You want me to throw it in real quick?
Yeah, go ahead and do that if you will.
Do you mind reading them off to me? It makes it a little faster.
Yeah, for sure. You want to start from the top?
Yeah.
Okay, so question 3 is C.
Okay.
4 is C.
Okay.
5 is B.
Okay.
6 is C.
Okay.
7 is 40.
Okay.
8 is 0.4.
Okay.
9 is 0.1.
Okay.
10 is 0.35.
Okay.
11 is 0.046.
Okay.
12 is 1.091.
Okay.
13 we decided is going to be 0.138.
Okay.
14 is 0.011.
Okay.
15 is negative 1.791.
Okay.
And 16 is 0.037.
Okay, let's hope I put those all in there right. My foggy brain. Okay, let me see that. Okay, 100.
Awesome. Okay. Do you mind run those through with me so I can put it in?
Yep.
Okay, let me start up the quiz again. Let's see. Okay, so starting with 3.
3 is C, each slice represents.
Okay.
4 is C, the only difference.
Okay.
5 is true proportion.
Okay.
6 is sample size.
Okay.
7 is 40.
Okay.
8 is 0.4.
Okay.
9 is 0.1.
Okay.
10 is 0.35.
Okay.
11 is 0.046.
Okay.
12 is 1.091.
Okay.
13 is 0.138.
Okay.
14 is 0.011.
Okay.
And 15 is negative 1.791.
Okay.
And 16 is 0.037.
Okay, I'm going to submit and submit and submit and 100%. Awesome.
Perfect.
Okay, cool. As far as, so since we got that done, as far as the research thing goes, the project that we have, so I collected a year's worth of data as far as the ages for patients that needed root canals.
Right.
The thing that I'm wondering is, do we need to expand it? Like, I guess I need to look into it a little bit more. So maybe Thursday.
Like with more variables, like, you know, like.
Right, because I'm wondering if it's just like too simple. Because what I initially thought of was we could compare what somebody said on the internet to what the actual data is for a certain sample, what the mean average is. But I almost feel like that's a little bit too simple. So maybe there's something else. I don't know.
Well, how about do you mind doing this, Dakota? Just jotting up a little thing and just shooting it off to Brother Richmond and see what he says?
Yeah, you bet.
Because from my understanding, you know, when I kind of read, you know, other posts and the online stuff with other students, they said keep it super simple and that simple is good.
Okay.
So I don't want to complicate it if we don't have to complicate it. But if we do, I want to do what's right as well.
Okay, sounds good. I will see if I can talk to him, and we'll get that straightened out. Awesome.
Okay. And we'll meet Thursday?
Yep, Thursday at 8.
Okay, I just want to make sure that in this project that it's evenly distributed. So I want to make sure that, you know, I don't want it to all be on you either. I know you're collecting data from your office, but I just don't want you to feel like it's all on you.
Oh, no, not at all. I knew that this first part was pretty much going to be all me because I had the data.
Yeah.
But yeah, once we get into the rest of everything, I'm not too worried about that.
Okay, sounds good. I'll see you on Thursday.
Sounds good. Get feeling better.
Thank you. I need to.
Okay,
Bye.
see ya.